And they're off. Very even start. Mauvaise Coyote is showing speed from the outside gate and heads off to lead it by about a length from Computer Diana. Eileen is moving through on her inside. Then it's Go Fly a Kite. Oriental Beauty moves to the extreme outside and luckily trails as the fillies and mares move past the 5/8 mark, and Mauvaise Coyote shows the way under Abel Castellano. It is the big favorite. Mauvaise Coyote over to the rail now and leading over a length. Go Fly a Kite is there in the second spot. Now Oriental Beauty is up to third outside of Eileen as they go toward the far turn. Luckily is picking it up from the back of the pack, and Computer Diana has now dropped out to trail. She's got 7 lengths to make up on Mauvaise Coyote going into the turn. Mauvaise Coyote leads it less than a length now. Go Fly a Kite is inching closer from the second spot. Oriental Beauty is 3 wide into the turn, but in with a good shot, and she's starting to move up as they range up on the outside of Mauvaise Coyote. Mauvaise Coyote joined by Go Fly a Kite. Oriental Beauty still well out in the center of the track, luckily trying to run on from fourth. And they straighten away with Mauvaise Coyote and Go Fly a Kite going at it on the front end. Mauvaise Coyote still just in front. Go Fly a Kite trying to get up on even terms, and Luckily is now getting into gear. Here comes Luckily on the grandstand side. Go Fly a Kite got first run, though. Go Fly a Kite onto the lead. Luckily up for second. Go Fly a Kite. Luckily was second. Mauvaise Coyote. Computer Diana.